You're not gonna believe it, but this thing actually works. Still. It's been sitting for months. The head gasket's blown. And yet I'm still driving it, and it also has no dashboard. All the wiring's down there. I am amazed. Like, it's been sitting since August sometime because of the blown head gasket. Probably actually July. But we threw a battery in it, started it up, and sure enough, it actually runs. So I also don't know how much coolant's in it, but oh well. Almost missed this car because of how much fun it was to drive around when it worked. And it still has power too. So, you know, guess it takes a lot to kill a Volvo. That's it. And now it gets a head gasket job. Alright, it's a finish of like day one or something. And we got the intake manifold off. And I got the timing off. And now we're just taking the valve cover off.
No, your timing's right.
Oh, we have the
belt is off.
Yeah, the timing belt's off. I knew that. And this car is finally getting to be fixed, I guess. Woohoo. I don't know.
Not that long.
There's how many bolts are there in this thing?
A lot.
And here's a pile. Eventually we'll get them all.
Costs money.
And what will...
One more.
Oh, there's one more.
Yep.
Nope, there's one right there.
Okay. Good. I don't know it's not gonna smack my face.
No, that's the last one. It's probably gonna fly off whenever you do that one.
I don't think so.
Well, some of the tension is loose. Okay, that's not so bad.
Yeah.
And that's the pile of valve cover bolts. So survey says
How you can... Should we get them all?
pretty sure. Okay.
Trying to be even Stevens for this.
Who's the Stephen guy?
Who's this Genghis Swan? I knew it.
What? There is one?
Yep. Oh, I wasn't holding it up though, but there is one more. Here. Oh, that's okay.
I told you.
I asked.
I told you.
I didn't see it.
I told you. There's got to be one stuff there.
Volvos.
There it goes.
All right.
Now it should come up. Probably have to watch the fuel.
Yep.
Fuel line.
That cam's like stuck on top of it. Really carefully. All right.
I'm holding the back of the cam.
Yeah.
There we go.
And now lift up on it. I'm gonna.
There you go. Go for it.
All right. Now what we're gonna do is hold on this one. This is the fun part. All right.
You can bend it just a little bit. Be very careful.
All right. Now take it. There you
Yeah, look at that. Look at that. Ugh. Here, you want to try that? Alright, so... yeah, we have to get the cams out.
Oh,
but
this cam seal's a little wonky.
Oh, they popped out too.
Oh, that's right, yeah. That's fine.
We got to get the cams up, so I don't know how we're...
Just put the valve back.
You hit that one back down, so that's the problem.
Oh, that's fine. Oh, I did put it back down, didn't I? There we go.
Oh, you just had to turn it. That's right.
Can you lift the fuel line just a little?
I got it.
Thank you. Alrighty. I got it.
So that's intake. That's the valve cover going. Here we go. So now we see how all the head bolts are. And I don't know what these were, but
disintegrated.
Yeah, they are gone. Okay. They're just gone.
Thank you. Yep, you can move your hand.
That's intake and exhaust cams. What worries me too is there's sludge in here.
Well, it's probably just old.
Yeah, it is old. I mean,
oh
wow, these are crusty, like really bad.
Yeah, let's pull these off.
Like, I'm surprised this didn't leak more oil. No, let's just get rid of them.
Yeah, I'll just toss them in the trash.
So that's the end of day one, really.
I mean, look, yeah, those are a little bit bad. I mean, well, I think what some of that sludge is you look.
Yeah, I don't know what these were.
Bits. No, see, like some of this was gasket, like intake gasket. Look at that. I bet you, just crusty gasket.
Yeah.
I worry
okay?
about busting. I worry about busting the tools.
Well, I'm not worried about the socket as much because I can just go get another one.
Right, right.
It's your tools. They're cheap Harbor Freight stuff anyway.
Okay, we're not using the old socket then. I guess.
No, I'm using one of mine.
I think.
I actually got another one if we want to use something different than that.
The more length you get, the better the torque.
Just afraid of snapping one of those things.
If the tool breaks, the tool breaks. We don't want anybody to get hurt.
Yeah.
That's the name of the game. We can always money will replace any of the broken tools. It's just
Yeah, it won't replace an eye.
yeah, or other parts that you've grown fond of.
Just a shame that they didn't make it so they were directly in line.